everyone, welcome back to Dino Kids. I hope you are safe and healthy. So in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can teach your child about addition and subtraction using a number line, right? So this is the most effective way when you are making your child understand about the concept of addition or subtraction for the very first time. So before starting the video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the regular notifications. So now let's get started. So for this I have used a simple paper or a sheet here, right? And here I have made a number line. For making a number line, just make a slipping line at equal distancing, mark the number 0 to 10. You can make this number line at home easily, and in case you want a printout, then there are several images available on Google. You can download from there and then you can take a printout and use it, right? Underneath it I have made some boxes to make an addition or a subtraction equation, and here I have just covered it with the transparent tape. The purpose of covering it with the transparent tape is to use this activity using a marker so that I can write and rub it easily, and then I can reuse it or rewrite it, right? So this is a reusable activity which you can use n number of times with your child. Yeah, so now let's see how we can do this activity, right? So for example, if I write a addition equation here like 3 plus 2 equals 2, right? So here the number is 3, so we will make a bigger loop from 0 to 3 on number line because the number is 3. So here I'm making a loop from 0 to 3. Then it's the addition sum and the next number is 2, right? So now we're gonna make two loops here, one loop and two loop, right? Like this, as you could see in the video, right? So the second loop, right, ends at 5, right? So here our answer is 5. So it's very easy. Yeah, so kids also love to do this kind of activity as this is a more like a fun activity for them, right? So now using a duster or a cloth I can rub it very easily, right? And again I can prepare it for the next sum or next equation. Now here I'm going to take one more equation which is of addition itself. So I will write it 7 plus 2 equals 2, right? So the first number is 7, right? So I'll make a bigger loop from 0 to 7 like this, right? And after, as this is a addition, so I'll make two forward loops and the next number is 2. So I'll make how many loops? 2 loops. So here it's 1 and then 2. So our second loop reached at which number? Number 9. So it become our answer. So it's so easy. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9, right? So this is the way you can teach your child about addition. Now again I am dropping it using the same cloth. So you can say this, it's a very fun loving activity and a good way to teach your child that in addition number goes forward and in subtraction the number goes backward, right? So here for example again I am writing a subtraction equation which is 6 minus 4 equals 2. So now this time we are talking about subtraction. So the first loop will be the bigger loop from 0 to 6 in subtraction also, like this, right? So in subtraction what basically we do is we do backward loops, right? In addition the counting goes forward and in subtraction the counting goes backward. So for that reason we will make backward loops below the line. And how many? So here as you could see the number is 4. So we will make 4 loops here, right? So I'm gonna make 4 loops here like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So where we reached at number 2. So 6 minus 4 equals to 2. So 2 become our answer. So again I'll make you understand with one more equation here. I'll simply rub it like this, right? As you could see I can use it n number of times. So here now again I'll be writing a subtraction equation so that you can understand it more proper way, right? So here I'm writing it as 8 minus 5 equals 2, right? So my first loop will be from 0 to 8, and now as this is a subtraction it's a minus, so I'll be making backward loops. And how many loops? 5 loops. So I'll be making them here, right? I'll make 5 loops here and after that I'll reach at number 3. So number 3 become our answer. So 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So in this way you can tell your child about addition or subtraction using a number line. And guys, if you like this video or you find the idea what to teach your kids, then please let me know your thoughts or your experiences with your child in the comment section. Please do comments, guys, as this gives me a motivation to bring more new ideas or fun loving activities to teach anything to your child in more easy and comfortable way. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much guys for your time. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this worksheet with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.